sklearn. Cluster. Cluster optics DB-scan. Description. The optics ordering points to identify the clustering structure algorithm, combined with DBSCAN, is a density-based clustering algorithm that aims to find clusters of varying densities in spatial data. It is an extension of DBSCAN that excels in handling data with varying cluster densities and large data sets. Optics first identifies core points with a certain minimum number of neighbors and orders them according to reachability distance. This ordering captures the hierarchical structure of the data. The final clustering is then extracted from this ordering using a specific threshold value. Inputs. X. This input is a 2D array or sparse matrix representing the data points to be clustered. Each row corresponds to a data point and each column represents a feature. Minsamples. This parameter sets the minimum number of data points required to form a core point. A point is a core point if it has at least minsamples points within a given radius apes. Outputs. Labels. A 1D array containing cluster labels for each data point. Each cluster is identified by a unique integer label, with -1 representing noise points that do not belong to any cluster. Core distances. A 1D array of core distances for each data point. Core distance is the minimum distance from a point to another point within the neighborhood defined by minsamples. Reachability plot. A 2D array representing the reachability plot. The first column is the ordering of the data points, and the second column is the reachability distance for each point. Steps. Core point identification. The algorithm identifies core points based on the minsamples parameter. A point is a core point if it has at least minsamples neighbors within a given distance apes. Reachability distance calculation for each data point. The algorithm calculates its reachability distance, which is the shortest distance from a point to any core point that is directly reachable from it. Ordering points based on the reachability distances. The algorithm creates an ordered list of points that represents the hierarchical structure of a data. Cluster extraction. The cluster labels are extracted from the ordered list of points using a specific threshold value. This threshold value is typically determined using the reachability plot, which visually displays the reachability distances of each point. Metrics. Silhouette score. This metric measures how similar a point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. A silhouette score close to 1 indicates that the point is well clustered, while a score close to -1 indicates that the point may be misclassified. Davies-Bouldin score. This metric measures the ratio of within cluster distances to between cluster distances. A lower score indicates better separated clusters. Kalinski-Harabas score. This metric measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance. A higher score indicates better separated clusters. Visualization plots. Reachability plot. This plot displays the reachability distance of each data point against its ordering in the optics ordering. This plot is crucial for visualizing the hierarchical structure of the data and for selecting an appropriate threshold value for extracting clusters. Dendrogram. This plot represents the hierarchical structure of the data, with branches representing clusters at different density levels. Fine-tune parameters. Minsamples. This parameter controls the minimum number of neighbors required for a point to be considered a core point. A higher value leads to larger clusters and fewer clusters. Apes. This parameter defines the radius used to identify neighboring points for determining core points. A higher value leads to larger clusters. She. This parameter controls the steepness of the reachability plot. A higher value emphasizes clusters with higher density. Cluster method. This parameter determines the clustering method used to extract clusters from the reachability plot. The dbScan method extracts clusters based on a specific threshold value, while she uses a different approach based on the steepness of the reachability plot. Uncertainty methods. Cluster membership probability. Using a probabilistic approach, we can assign each point a probability of belonging to a specific cluster. This can help identify points that are close to the boundary between clusters and have a high uncertainty about their cluster membership. Cluster stability. By repeatedly running optics with different random initializations or subsets of the data, we can assess the stability of the clustering results. If the clustering is stable across different runs, it suggests that the results are robust. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Overfitting. If the min-samples parameter is set too low, the algorithm may identify too many small and insignificant clusters, potentially overfitting to the noise in the data. Sample use case. When clustering a dataset with a lot of noise and a low value for min-samples, the resulting clusters might be very small and not represent true clusters in the data. Fixes. Increase the min-samples parameter to reduce the number of small clusters and focus on identifying larger and more significant clusters. Pre-process the data to remove outliers or noise before clustering. Challenge 2. Computational complexity. Optics can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets. Sample use case. Clustering a very large dataset with millions of data points can take a significant amount of time to complete, potentially becoming impractical. Fixes. Use an approximate algorithm like dbSCAN, which is faster but might not be as accurate. Use dimensionality reduction techniques to reduce the number of features and simplify the data. Before clustering, consider using a distributed computing framework to parallelize the computation.